Hello everybody. To get updated with all our videos, kindly subscribe our channel. Also like and share. Your support is our strength. Our videos are useful for students, teachers, job aspirants and employees. The subject you like most. Outlines. Introduction. The subject. Why you like it. Who teaches and how you perform in this subject, how the subject will help you in future. Conclusion. The subject you like most. Introduction. Education aims at making a complete man. To achieve this sublime aim, our school curriculum has made provisions for teaching of various subjects like English, MIL, MTA, MTG, SSH, SSG, SCP, SCL, Sanskrit, Hindi, etc. at high school level. Each subject has its importance. Each subject enriches our faculty of reason. Study of each subject enables us to solve various problems of our life reasonably. I am eager to know more of each subject. My favorite subject. Of all the subjects I study at school, English is my favorite subject. I started learning English when I was in class 4. It was my mother who first introduced me the English language. She taught me say some English words with the help of pictures. Who teaches and how? Fortunately at school we have a specially qualified teacher to teach us English. He speaks English very nicely and teaches us to speak, read and write English properly. He often inspires us to learn English well. He tells us about the importance of English as a world language, as window on the world. Indeed, I owe a lot to him for my proficiency in English. How you perform in this subject? English has its special appeal for me. In all class examinations, I score well in English. My teachers appreciate my knowledge in English. I have been awarded by many reputed organizations for my short stories, poems, and articles. How the subject will help you in future. I study English not only for the sake of scoring high marks, but I know it will be very useful to me in later life. A good knowledge of English is a great asset and I know it will stand me in good stead when I start looking for a job. I am sure it will help me a lot to read English newspaper, various kinds of books in English and periodicals. It will also help me a lot to enjoy leisure hours. Why you like it? As a subject of study, English is no doubt very interesting for me, but it has great practical utility as well. Since my childhood, English is my favorite subject. I can learn spelling and answers easily. I always score highest marks in English in all examinations. I study English not for scoring high marks, but I know it will be very useful to me in later life. We are now in the 21st century. English is going to acquire greater importance as a source of knowledge and means of communication. Moreover, English is the language of the computer and a sound competence in English is very much needed. Conclusion. Really, English is my favorite subject. It fascinates me, entertains me and enriches my knowledge. Although becoming a doctor is my aim in life, I know English is the best of all knowledge. If a student is good at English, he will definitely do well in every stream. So I read this subject so seriously. Word note: sublime means great अर्थात महान. Reasonably ଯୁକ୍ତିସଙ୍ଗତ ଭାବରେ. Introduce ପରିଚିତ କରାଇବା ବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା. Qualified ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ. Window on the world ବିଶ୍ୱକୁ ଜାଣିବାର ମାଧ୍ୟମ. Proficiency ପ୍ରବୀଣତା ବା ନିପୁଣତା. Appeal ଆକର୍ଷଣ. Appreciate ପ୍ରଶଂସା. Score ନମ୍ବର ରଖିବା. Asset ସମ୍ପଦ. Stand in good stead ଉପକାରୀ ସାବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେବା. Periodicals ପତ୍ରପତ୍ରିକା ସମ୍ବାଦପତ୍ର ଇତ୍ୟାଦି. Practical व्यावहारिक. Utility ଉପଯୋଗିତା. Century ଶତାବ୍ଦୀ. Communication ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ. Competence ଦକ୍ଷତା. Fascinate ଆକର୍ଷିତ କରିବା. Enrich ବୃଦ୍ଧି ଘଟାଇବା.